People are already asking me the question, so which side are you going to join when you do, if you do make it into the Senate? Which side are you going to join? Are you going to join the majority or the minority? And to tell you the truth, I really don't know. But what I do know is that the majority are the citizens. It's the people in the community. Those are the majority. It's not the people in the Senate. It is the fishers. It is the people who use the forest. It's the farmers, the youth. Those are the people that I would work with. And people get so caught up in their politics within those walls that they forget that the power and majority is actually outside of those walls.
OEK Senate Special Election on December 13th, 2022. Vote for Kloulechad-Singeo.